Hey guys, so today we are going to be making an air fryer recipe. I decided to make this video because my video where I make glazed donuts in an air fryer is doing so well. It's literally the only video that keeps my channel alive. It's insane. It just gets views every single day, which is totally insane. I mean, it's already up to 5,000 views, which I cannot believe. So thank you so much to everyone who watched that video and gave it a like, and I'm just so glad that you guys liked that recipe. So I figured, since so many people are obviously looking for air fryer recipes, I figured I'd give you guys another recipe to try, and this one looks really good, so I'm really excited about it. It's called chocolate dippers, fried chocolate dippers, something like that. It's basically fried dough covered in sugar, and you make a little chocolate sauce on the side, and you know, dip the fried dough in the chocolate, and it just looks really good. So I'm excited to try this. So yeah, let's get started. So here I have all the ingredients laid out that we need to make this recipe. So first, you're going to need half a pound of bread dough defrosted. I just bought the Pillsbury crescent roll dough, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Next, you'll need a 1/4 cup of melted butter, unsalted butter, not salted. And then next, you'll need half a cup of sugar and half a cup of heavy cream, 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and finally 1 tablespoon of almond extract. So here I just put my dough onto a lightly floured surface, and I'm just going to roll it out until it gets to 15 inches long ways. So don't even bother rolling it out wide, because we're just getting it to be 15 inches long. Then I'm just going to take my tape measure, and I'm going to keep measuring it until we have 15, which we don't, so we're going to keep rolling it. And now I rolled it out too long. Oh well, just scrunch it down a little. See if that's 15. Yep. Okay, we have 15 now, so we're good. So now I'm just going to take my knife, and I'm going to cut this into 20 slices. And just continue cutting until you have 20 of these strips. So now just take one of your strips and cut it in half, and then just take the strip and twist it 3 or 4 times so that you get this twisted dough thing. And then just place it onto a cookie tray like this, and then just do that to the rest of your dough pieces until they're all twisted and all on your tray. So now that we have all of our dough twists on our cookie tray, we're going to take our melted butter and a brush, and then just brush the butter all over your twists. Then once you've covered your dough in butter, we're now going to take our sugar and just sprinkle the sugar all over the dough. So next, I just preheated my air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I'm just going to take my melted butter, and I'm just going to brush some of it onto the air fryer basket. Now just take some of your dough dippers and place them into your air fryer. Then you can bake them for 5 minutes. Now while we're letting these fry, we can work on the chocolate sauce. On a medium heat, I just poured my heavy cream into a pot and I'm just letting that simmer on the stove. Once your heavy cream has simmered, you could just go ahead and add that to your chocolate chips and let the chocolate chips melt. Once your chocolate chips have melted a little, you can start whisking it until the mixture becomes smooth. Finally, you can go ahead and add in your almond extract and just mix that in until it's all combined. And these are our beautiful finished chocolate air fryer dippers, and these look amazing. They're like golden brown. Look at them. That looks amazing. I cannot wait to eat these. And the chocolate sauce, I already tried it. It tastes so good. I just can't wait to eat this. And I didn't even think of this before, but this is actually so perfect for the Super Bowl. You could present it just like this, have the chocolate in the center and then all the dippers around the plate. And it's just so perfect for any party like the Super Bowl or just having your friends over. And it was super quick and simple to make, so I really like this recipe and it looks so good. So I can't wait to try this later. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what you want to see me bake next. And let me know of any other air fryer recipes because there's not many out there, and let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah. And my social medias are always in the description, so go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter for some more awesome stuff. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!